I think we're at a unique period in time where humans plus machines are coming together. And this is a moment of transformation. This is a moment of change.
Right now is a really interesting time for our company because we've hit an inflection point on many fronts. We're seeing market demand from our clients and prospects in terms of really being ready to invest in talent transformation and innovation in talent management in general.
We really haven't seen this type of decision making and looking at your workforce with such a specific lens before.
Beamery is a future-facing product, right? It is helping organizations to move into the future. It's not dealing with the legacy of yesterday. It is helping organizations to attract and retain and grow the careers of amazing talent.
I think one of the big motivators for me in life in general is how can we create better quality of life? A lot of what we do and a lot of the satisfaction we get is from the work we do. And I think so often, and especially I remember growing up or being a student or a young graduate, people don't like their jobs and they end up being stuck in them for numerous reasons. And so for us, a big motivation to build this company was, how can we change that? How can we help people find meaningful work?
So I definitely think that they are going to shape the future of work, and it's really through the use of their technology. Beamery is able to use data science to enable managers to make better decisions around their people.
What Beamery is filling is to really organize that talent pool.
We're so much more capable of doing things than what a CV tells an employer what we can do. A nurse has over 375 different tasks that they do in their job. Well, when there's a shortage of nurses, you're looking for other people to help augment them. And so matching up those capabilities could actually help fill a major gap to society.
Well, we have spent years developing machine learning technology that is able to do the kinds of computations and insights that humans can't do themselves because there's too much information. What humans uniquely can do is then synthesize and drive the relationships. Beamery's vision is to create a set of technologies and a set of outcomes for organizations that allows them to be much more strategic in the way that they approach talent acquisition, talent management, and talent retention. Technology is no longer optional, and companies that don't become at their core technology companies will be left behind. I truly believe the next decade, it's also true about being talent first.
We already are a customer of Beamery. We are using Beamery's capabilities to attract new talent into Accenture. That is what initiated the investment opportunity.
Typically, we look for companies that are using technology to disrupt incumbents or create new sectors. And in the case of Beamery, they meet all of those criteria in addition to an outstanding management team.
We're trying to build the next great software company, not just in this space, but period.
The opportunity is really to put Beamery at the center of the HR and talent organization.
These are not just issues for the CHRO anymore. The issues of the CHRO have elevated up to the CEO.
If nothing else, the pandemic has shown how important people are to organizations and the criticality of the workforce. And it was always called a war for talent, but post-pandemic, as we come out of it, that's never been more true.
Being talent first is no longer optional. And companies that are not talent first, C-suites that are not talent first, I think will be left behind.